Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Moika, and I'm coming back at you with another review. So as you saw from the box, I'm going to be reviewing this hair. This is actually my first time trying this unit, and I'm going to be reviewing one of their curly lace front wig. All of the information about the wig that I'm going to be installing in this video will be listed down below as always, and as for the company. So this is the wig in its natural state as it came out of the box, but I think I already bleached the knots. Yeah, I think I'd already bleached the knots because whenever I receive wigs, the first thing I do is bleach the knots. So yes, I'm actually going to show you guys how the knots are bleached, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the customization of the wig. So I don't have a particular way to plug. I just go ahead and plug. Honestly, when you've been doing this for years, you just used to do it. So if you want a very detailed video on how I plug my unit, I feel like I have a ton showing that on my channel, but I don't know if I had deleted them. So if I don't have them, I'll make sure I'll make one fully detailed for y'all. So after plucking, customizing my wig as I like it, I'm just gonna go ahead and install it on. I'm not gonna do any of the bald cap thing. I feel like the bald cap method is very not necessary for every little styles that you do. It's just a waste of your time and products for no reason. You can just go ahead and apply your cap on, adjust the wig as you like it, and just style it. So after measuring the wig, making sure that it's not too small, not too big, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace and then cut the sideburns. Most of the time, if you have a very big head like me, you will always need to go ahead and cut the sideburns, because otherwise it will just pass through your hair and it's not going to make it that little very natural looking look. So you just want to make sure that you cut that off the way. Then I'm going to use my Got to Be Glue spray. I'll apply around 3 to 4 layers of spray. I will spray around the perimeter of my hairline. Blow dry, spray, blow dry, spray, blow dry. You're not going to see that in that video because I'm going to cut that off because it was taking forever. But y'all get it. So usually that's what I would do if I want my wig to stick. Because if I do less than 3 layers around the middle of the day, if I sweat a lot, the wig will start lifting up. So you just want to go ahead and add a little more, or if you want to make it better, just use the Got to Be Glue and then the Got to Be Glue spray. I was not looking for the wig to stick to my head that much, so that's why I didn't use the glue. So after gluing my wig, making sure all the sides are secure, beautiful, I'm just gonna style the wig. So this is a curly wig, so there's not much to do. The curling pattern of this wig is so gorgeous. I didn't want it to brush it out and add water and all of that crazy stuff. I really wanted to keep that very that looking curls, so I went ahead and flat the top to create my parting space. I also put some add some hot comb. This I can't speak, y'all. I'm sorry. I also flat the hairline with my hot comb, add some mousse, flat the top, and that'll be all. Alright y'all, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed this installation video. So as you can see, if you are following me here watching my hair reviews, I have taken down almost all of our videos because we have now a new family channel starting on. Now in this channel I want to improve my game in installing wigs because I was looking at my whole hair reviews and I'm not gonna lie, getting sent hair at the beginning, you're just so excited, you're just into it, you love doing it, right? But at a certain level, when you get sent hair every single day, it's starting to get, repeated. Like, it's just starting to be always the same thing. And I was just fed up. Whenever I had to film a hair review, I was not really giving my energy at all. Like, I was not flattening the top of the wig. I was not doing all of that extra stuff. And I think you guys can see a difference from this video that I just filmed. It's more professional. I still show the install. I plucked. I really do the job that I will usually do for my clients. And this is what I want to bring out here, because at the end of the day, I love doing hair reviews. But in the past, I was not very focusing on it because I was so busy with so many things. Now that I have a good schedule, I have more time. Well, more time. I don't really. But besides the point, I am more organized, so that's what I'm trying to say. I just want this page to be really for your girls who loves watching hair reviews. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm genuinely loving watching hair reviews. I love my favorite hair reviewer here on YouTube is Paris Danielle. I feel like that's her name, and that was Danielle Naomi too. And that's just so funny because both of them have Danielle in their name. But these two girls, I just love the way they are rocking their wigs. It's just so perfect, and I know I can do the same. I know I can do even better. So I was like, just put yourself out here, Moika. Whenever you have hair reviews, just do it professionally. Just don't do it just because you have to do it because of the company rushing you. Do it because you want to do it. Take the time you have to do. Take the time you wanted to do it. Anyway, so hopefully you guys will see the chain in here. I really want to put myself here and do my hair reviews professionally and beautifully. So that's what's that. But now back to this hair. So y'all saw this hair is beautiful.
I didn't brush the hair out because I love the curl. I did bleach the knots, customize the wig and everything. I don't remember if I did film it. If I did, you guys already saw. But yeah, I did customize the wig. This is not how the wig will come. The lace color of this wig, I don't know. I really did a good job, I feel like, to make it look like this. But it was not that easy because the lace was not medium brown. It was not transparent. It was kind of like, I don't know. The lace was weird. I will recommend you to go ahead and buy a, you know, those body spray and tint the lace, or buy that product. Like, I have a product that I used to use a lot to tint laces whenever I get sent these type of lace. It's been a while I haven't received this type of lace, so I don't even know where the product is, but you can get it from Amazon. Okay, let me check. I think it's here. So that's the product in question. So you can get a spray brush on Amazon, or to get this one. It's a dye more synthetic. You put it in hot water, put your lace there. It's gonna tint your lace medium to dark brown. So I could have done it for this wig, but I was just not, you know, I know how to manage it. So I think I did a good job. The curl pattern of this wig, let me show y'all. It's just very gorgeous, you guys. All of the information about this wig, like always, will be listed down below. As for the company, this was my first time trying any of their hair. So far so good. I can say that at first I was stressed because the wig was very, very, very dry, but it's just because it was, I think, packed. You know, you have to kind of use product when it comes to curly hair. You cannot accept to receive a curly wig and that the wig will be, you know, moisturized, soft and all. It might happen, you know, but most important thing to know with curly wigs, you need to invest in products and take care of your wigs. Like, don't be complaining about the company when you don't do the job that you need to do. So yes, I think I said everything you guys might want to know. I did receive this wig very quick. This is always the same thing. I think I'm gonna stop repeating this because I'm just fed up with saying it. Like, a company will reach out to you, send you a wig, obviously you will receive it quick. So I don't like putting this out there because I don't know if it's gonna be the same for you. But usually they do ship around it's 3 to 7 business days. And I've been reviewing hair for years now, and I can tell you that I never had a problem like that. Yeah, I love the thickness of this wig. This is actually 180 density, or 150. I'll correct myself. But look how thick it is. Like, with curly hair, I'll say don't go and spend your money on high volume, like high density, except if you're the type of girl that really need a thick wig. But I would say that if you are like me, you don't really mind, you just want something cute, something pretty to wear, don't go and spend your money on 200 density wig when it comes to curly hair, because you're just gonna have a big head. It's just gonna be too much, and you're just gonna go crazy, you know, overnight. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this hair review. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. I love the messy vibe of this wig, that's why I'm keeping it that way. So anyway, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next hair review, because this is how I do, and I do it for y'all. This is